Shusho ukwazi come back to speaker nawe. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So siphinde sabuya siphethe album entsha from one of the biggest exporters South Africa lana. Siphethe album kaTyler la. Iphume ngoLwesihlanu yabe kumhla ka-24. So uTyler ke ukhiphe album ye-pop because sokhumbula album yokuqala laphana le nengoma lenkulu kakhulu iwater. Isound yayo it was more Afrobeat. Abantu abaningi ke basemzansi like abengarelate kuyona. So this time uvela decide ukuthi ekhiphe album ebiza nge-African pop because umixe everything akafuna ukuyimixa because umusic wakhe udifferent than umusic lo ayokhiphe before like i-album yakhe la before it was more Afrobeat le yase-Nigeria. So I think ukhiphe into different and into eyi-highlight i-album yakhe ube nama-features abantu basemzansi because beyikhona leyo issue no uTyler I think usebenzela kakhulu imarket le yase-Europe than imarket le yase-Africa. So uzamile ukuthi ibe nama-features abantu base-South Africa bafeaturishe laphana. Ikhona i-feature enoBabalwa Emo, ikhona i-feature kaMahu, mase bakhona-ke i-feature lokuyiyona ekhulunywa ngayo kakhulu ene-Liquid Deep South Africa-ke. Mhlawumbe nje ngizoqala le ngoma kuyiyona le ene-Liquid Deep because abantu abaningi iyona abakhuluma ngana la ku-Twitter la abantu ba-debate ukuthi no ingoma i-remake yakhona bayenze yamnandi noma bayimoshile. I feel like ingoma bayenze yamnandi mina ngithandile and into engiyithande kakhulu kuyona abazange beyishintshe kakhulu because leya ngoma leyana i-Fairy Tale iphume ngo-2010 e-Liquid Deep very successful. So bebezoyimosha uma belo bezama ukwenza into eningi. So I feel ngathi benze kahle bangenza into eningi. So ngiyithandile leyo ngoma leyo. Bese uba ile feature leyo noMahu. Leyo ngoma leyo noMahu leyo I think crazy about me or crazy of me. Yeah, I think uMahu lendile ke lapho. uMahu nje mina bekumuntu engamnotice like as i-vocalist esaqala bekulokuthi no mhlambe one hit wonder but I think omunye umuntu osekwazi ukukhombisa ukuthi no uDavies wasebenzisana nabantu abadifferent and I think le feature le izomthatha imbeke ku-platform mhlambe izomtholela namanye ama-features abantu baphesheya because kuleya ngoma laphana no ukhuphuka kakhulu and leyo ngoma ngiyayithanda ne-sound yakhona as much as ingoma yakhona iyi-pop but inawo leyo element yo-piano nyana like there's a low drum ingoma eningi noticile even though zi-pop but ikhona leyo low drum lapha. So I think so relax abantu abaningi even though mina personal I feel like ukuthi la akayitholi leyo ngoma mhlambe ekenzele ingoma thina emzansi. Ngiunderstand ukuthi mhlambe i-record label yakhe because usayine under Epic record le yaphesheya le same record label esayine no Future big deal ngempela and imarket yakhona vele ise-Europe but I feel like akayitholi mhlambe ingoma ezolenda emzansi mhlambe esenze noma ingoma nje noma eyi-one noma ingoma yepiano or else noma mhlambe ke i-Chris Step right now because yona i-trend but something ezoba big e-South Africa nakuma-dance floor because iwater as much as ayi-big emhlabeni but it's not like ingoma ama-South African engavibe ngayo lapha. I think ikhona ingoma sasikuleta yona but ngiyithandile ukuthi i-accommodate ama-South Africans kule album lena. Bese uba ile ngoma enoBabalwa Emo lena i-special kakhulu-ke. Ngithandile nje indlela nje uBabalwa Emo ama-hummings akhe lakhana la muntu onawazi ucula-ke lwana-ke akayona ngempela-ke i-gimmick leyo. So ithalente lakhe liyabonala ngempela and I'm happy ukuthi ngimbone ephuma enza more ama-features because umusic omningi ubesewenza isikhathi eside wenza nabantu abayi-one laba abasebenza nayo laphana abantu okuyibona abasondelene no-Kelvin Momo bonke no-Sticks laphana. So I think manje uyaqala uya-reach out kuya kubantu abaningi and lento izom-expose ithalente lakhe because utalented ngale ndlela leyo. Bese uba nenye ingoma la iphume ezisingile i-channel le I think iphume nje like almost about 10 months ago. Lo ngoma le inama-views amaningi laphana ku-YouTube because uTyger uyi-big deal. uTyger sengithi uTyler ama-Tyger ama-fans akhe. So uTyler unama-fans amaningi-ke. So leyo ngoma almost lapha ku-150 million views-ke leyo ngoma. So naye bayifakile album leyo and yona-ke ingoma ezwenza ukuthi album mhlawumbe isheshe i-reach ama-status lokuba o-gold no-platinum because already sinama-numbers amaningi. But there's one song engithanda kakhulu laphana i-pop and I think ingoma ezoba big lama-radio station lawa belungu lawa nabo into efana ko-947 laphana eJozi ko-KFM ko-Cape Town iSikhosi Radio laphana eDurban lezi stations abelungu laphana. So leyo ngoma le Is It Love leyo ngoma leyo hayi izoba nzima kakhulu. Iyona ingoma ngempela akazolwa nayo laphana kuma-charts because uTyler uba ngama-charts nabantu abafana nabo-Chris Brown nabantu abafana nabo-Beyonce nabo-Jay-Z la kuma-charts lakhana even nakuma-interviews ubona ama-interviews awahamba laphana uhamba ama-interviews lawa ahambe uyibona labantu because i-record label yakhe i-Epic and imvulela iminyango kuzo zonke indawo la kuvulela khona abantu iminyango. So I think nje uyi-big deal uTyler, uyi-big deal and i-album yakhe ngi-happy ngayo. Lena I think ngithe because lokuqala ngangiyithandile uTha but angizange ngiyithande i-album because it was more like Afrobeat, so angizange ngirelate kuyona. Lena I think ikhona leyo element even though ngayona i-big fan ye-pop, but ngiyayizwa ukuthi no i-album imnandi and I think izoba nayo lo success, especially after leya Black le shakaba nayo because wenza interview laphana ku-Breakfast Club lase-America laphana about le nto yokuba black or coloured and then abantu base-America babamedi-ke, so abantu abaningi-ke bamkhansela because bathi akafuni uku-embrace ukuba u-black, bathi uyaba-offenda uma yithi uyi-coloured and-ke leyo issue leyo uyi-aggressile because ikhona interview laphana akayenzile no-Ebru laphana okuyi-host laphana ye-issue laphana e-Apple Music laphana, so uzamele uku-aggressa-ke, so asazi ukuthi ama-Americans azothini because ama-interview amaningi uwenzile for le album, so hopefully mhlawumbe abantu bazomxolela noma bezama ukum-understand not even ukumxolela because ayikho into erong ayeshilo uyokhuluma isitori sakhe, but nje ngiyephi ukuthi ngimbone ebuya ku-spotlight laphana and iphinde ithathe nengoma enkulu laphana i-Fairy Tale efake kwi-map laphana because izothola ama-numbers amaningi manje sinoTyler laphana and abazange benze kakhulu beshintshe into eningi, so i-Fairy Tale kusazoba yiyona lesiyithandayo emzansi, siya-appreciate, so lo ngoma izo-support izoba nama-numbers even ama-South African. Yeah, so I think uTyler management yakhe no hayi they are on a right track because bamphusha everywhere. Ngikhumbuza lento yokuthi abantu abaningi belothi no is still a good thing mhlawumbe kusana i-record label noma kuba independent. I think uTyler uyi-example abantu okhombisa ukuthi kusabalekile nabantu kusana i-record label because iyakwazi ukukhahlelela iminyango lo ungakwazi ukuthi uyikhikhe wena laphana because even naku-World Cup sembonile performer laphana, awusoze vele uperforma ku-World Cup laphana is a independent artist because ama-opportunity awafiki kuwena direct laphana. Sikhuluma ngama-corporate amakhulu afana nabo-FIFA laphana, so bafuna umuntu like ozokhulunyelwa abantu oyibona vele abakwi-game abaku-industry laphana, so ukusayina i-deal especially nama-record label amakhulu I think mina namanje kusabalekile kakhulu and uTyler uyi-good example ngempela because ivele yamthatha le eMzansi yambeka le America and nakhona e-America wenza into enkulu, so i-album ezospika nayo ngathiwa si-rate ngayinikeza usolid nje mhlawumbe u-8 out of 10 because yeah ama-tracks awekho maningi kakhulu and ingoma zakhe azikho zinde, like ingoma zakhe zi-short kakhulu and ile trend yamanje abantu abaningi bakhipha ingoma zo-2 minutes 1 minute, so mina I'm not a big fan of that because why so lale ngoma ka 2 minutes and 20 seconds like ngifuna ngathi nje abantu bayavilapha, so ngizoyinikeza u-8 out of 10 but i-album iphumile, ikhona kuma-charts, ikhona nakuma-digital laphana, ikhona ku-Apple Music, Spotify, everywhere. Yeah, so speaker now, you know. Tyler, yeah, we see you. Awe, maybe next time kumele esithole ne-feature amaskandi, yazi mhlawumbe iyo into engamenzela into emzansi. Asazi. Anyway, sekhona ku-Twitter ethi speaker nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook si-speaker nawe, sibe khona ku-TikTok si-speaker nawe show. Awe, we out.